Hello viewers and subscribers, I got some freshly brewed tea for you. This one's still so hot Jamaicans are outraged. On June 22, the bodies of Kenisha Wright and her children were discovered by police with their throats slashed. This was not only brutal, but a premeditated awful act of violence. It is said that Rushane Barnett, who is now in police custody, confessed to the police that he was the one who did this. This is a prime example of why Jamaican citizens turn to jungle justice evil monsters like this. And you wonder why the crime rate in Jamaica continues to go up, because Jamaican court system seems to continue to fail the residents. Rushane Barnett, the one who killed his cousin and 4 kids, is now facing fast karma as his cellmate allegedly been trying to take him out. Moving forward, because I'm a little bit too nosy today, Saweetie allegedly gets back with her ex Keith Powers. Bear in mind that she allegedly says this man is toxic. So what are we doing? Repeating old habits. Prime example why women should know what they want.
Yes. Alright. Me and my neighbor. Bring them.
Anything sweet you? When so are your ass.
The change of government in Jamaica still hasn't made a great impact, but brought fake promise, more crimes, and hidden taxes. If you want to support my channel, do so by subscribing to my channel. Tell me what you think right now. Is Jamaica in a better place? They say this little island has grown, but are Jamaicans getting jobs and living a better life? Are they able to pay their bills and still have money for something else? Go ahead, let me have it. Tell me how you feel. Until next time, take care.